driving, right? All right, sweetheart. I'll see you in a bit. What's your name? Who? Juta. Juthan. Oh, okay. Do you know what it means? Okay. Samsung. See you. SJ, bye. Bye. I'll see you, okay? I'll see you. Woohoo! So what's the plan?
Since practically done.
What about Mazo is nowhere to be seen. Patrick,
we called him,
you want?
If he's ready to come, he's going to call us. Ice cream, easy home.
Aye.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let me just close the. Samsung. Let me help you. I'm coming. Okay.
We have pretty much learned the tactics. He'll say I'm coming, then we won't bother him. Because by the time it's coming, if you come to complain, stay 30 minutes at I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
As long as we communicated.
Yeah. So. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. I was just trying to see what kind of activity, what else we can do, to make the time favorable.
When you mentioned that we've zunguruka too much of Choma, as well because we've gone, which other place can we go to? Especially looking at the time and all that stuff, might as well just relax. I don't know, that's just me anyway.
Yeah, we can. Hey family, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your friend, the Travel Commando in Southern Province, Choma to be specific, Zambia, Africa. And yet again, I am in the heart of Choma town, and it's a sweet afternoon, laid back, and I have a friend right in front over there. And of course we are I'm heading to a place called Easy Home. At Easy Home there, I think we're gonna make a stop at Starskies. Yeah, so maybe grab some ice cream and all that, but really it's just a sweet spot that we just want to relax and relax at, and pretty much call it a day. So that's Lushomo right over there, and yours truly behind the camera is the Z Traveler, the Travel Commando. Oh yes, so that's where we're going, guys. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching these videos. And of course, I think I'm going to start some shout outs, certain people that I know that have been watching. There's a gentleman called Sent. He has been watching, and I'm gonna catch up with Sent when I go to Lusaka and possibly do a trip to Southern Province. That is Livingston to be specific. So pretty much that's what we're gonna do, a lot of videos, because we're gonna spend some days there. So let's go, guys! Woohoo! My car.